Hi and welcome back to the channel. It's been a while, but we're back, bringing you guys some awesome content on the tools that you love. What a way to start the video than looking at the brand new DEWALT belt sander. This machine has got an 18-volt brushless motor, meaning that you are able to use it with your existing 18-volt batteries. If you do not have 18-volt batteries, this machine comes already with two 5-amp-hour batteries and a charger. Looking at the machine, we see that this machine has got speed control, obviously dependent on the application that you're going to be using the machine on. This machine also features a switch that's also got a lock on the side. It comes with a nice cool DAS port. This machine uses a 75 by 533 millimeter sanding belt that comes standard with the machine in the box. Ergonomically designed, I can feel that this is built DEWALT tough. So putting the belt onto this machine is very simple. On the side here, you've got a release lever. Let's see what you get in the box. Obviously, you get the machine, two 5-amp-hour batteries, 1, 2, a charger, a user manual, a dust bag, and a dust port extension. Not forgetting a sanding belt. All of them fit nicely, neatly in this T-Stack box. So let's go and do a test. So now you can see how smooth it is, and for a belt sander, this dust collection is awesome. If you haven't yet liked, subscribed, or left a comment, please do all the above, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.